Well, afternoon, this is Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this Wildwood. It's a 20-footer. It's actually a 201 BHXL. It's a pre-owned inventory here at our lot. We have a lot of used inventory and a lot of new inventory. So you generally have anything you kind of be looking for. Here on the front of this unit, it's a bunkhouse model. It's got a power jung jack. It's going to have propane tanks and your battery storage here. The cool thing about this, guys, is it's kind of a different color. A lot of people like the different color of it. It's not all your natural, just white on the front end there. We have storage up front on this side. And then we'll actually go around the other side and kind of look about some little features on that side. So as you make your way around this unit, on the back of it we have a rack that's awesome. It folds down. You put your firewood, your bikes, whatever you're kind of bringing with you. And then we also have a cool little storage unit on the outside of the unit. And on the back side here underneath one of the bunk beds. This is actually a Murphy bed bunk model, and it does have an outdoor shower, your water heater, and all your water hookups are everything on this side. Let's go inside and check it inside out. And as we go around the front here, we do have a power awning that's actually pretty long. It's about the length of the entire unit. It's going to have your outdoor speakers. And when you come in, the bed is up here to the front behind this couch. So as you make your way in here, right in the front and the right, we have a bed that folds down out of the wall. And it's pretty cool. Jackknife sofa. People either really like it or they really don't. You have a bed up out of the way. But in the evening time, you have a bed. In the daytime, you have seating and hanging out. It's kind of cool that way. And you have your kitchen. As you make your way around this unit, it has no slide. So it's a little tight in here, but it has a lot of amenities. It's kind of a more basic, but it does have all the needs met. Full kitchen, nice stove, oven, microwave, pantry, big pantry storage, drawers, your 2 bunk beds with USB ports on either side here on both of them, so your electronics will be charging. And as you come across the back is your fridge, and it's a rear bath model. And in the bathroom you do have a little bit of storage, kind of a, you can get trade your spots. So as far as that bathroom is concerned, it does have a little tub shower, a little room to do everything you need to and take care of business in there. And then you have a pretty decent sized dinette. It's not necessarily a wraparound dinette, but it is definitely a good sized booth dinette. So that's probably about it for this trailer. It was also a great little trailer. It has a lot of amenities to it. And here at Guarantee, my name is Captain Kirk. Kirk Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Happy to help you out, look at anything out here. Captain Kirk, more than happy to help you here in Junction City, Oregon. Hope you're having a great day.